How to make keto crispy Brussels sprout salad with lemon dressing. The ingredients for Brussels sprout salad: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon chili paste, 2 ounce pecans, 1 ounce pumpkin seeds, 1 ounce sunflower seeds, ½ teaspoon cumin, salt to taste, 16 ounce Brussels sprouts. For lemon dressing: ½ cup olive oil, 1 medium lemon, juice and zest, salt and pepper to taste. The preparation: 1. Gather and prep all the ingredients. 2. In a frying pan on low to medium heat, heat up the olive oil and the chili paste. 3. Add the pecans to the hot frying pan and stir well. 4. Stir in the pumpkin and sunflower seeds. Season with cumin and salt. Saute for a few minutes, stirring occasionally, until the pecans and seeds are lightly roasted and smell aromatic. 5. Rinse the Brussels sprouts and shave them by cutting them into thin slices with a sharp knife. Place them in a bowl. 6. Make the lemon dressing by combining olive oil, lemon juice and zest, and salt and pepper to taste. Pour this over the Brussels sprouts in the bowl and let this marinate for 10 minutes. 7. Prior to serving, add in the pecan and seed mixture and toss to combine. 8. Top off with additional salt and pepper if desired. And enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 4 servings of keto crispy Brussels sprout salad. Each serving comes out to be 485 calories, 46.2 grams fat, 10.1 grams net carbs, and 7.2 grams protein. If you want to get a custom keto diet made up for you, just click on the link in the description below for more recipes.